REHAU is a well-known trade show with an emphasis on environmentally sustainable waste, raw material, and water management solutions. The well-known business REHAU unveiled Connect Flex Plus, their newest product, during this event. Regardless of surface roughness or wall thickness, workers may join pipes with this unique coupling in as little as 10 minutes. Fiberglass, cast iron, and reinforced concrete are just a few of the materials that it is intended to function with. Because of its modular design, the new AWACONNECT Flex Plus provides a notable performance increase over the previous generation. It has a tensioning strap that is simple to install and doesn't require any additional tools. It only takes 10 minutes to complete the process from unpacking to final assembly. Due to its great degree of adaptability, it can bridge wide diameter discrepancies without the need for additional compensation, and provides a robust and flexible pipe coupling thanks to its movable middle section that enables stress-free and safe pipe laying. Additionally, it includes the QTC expansion seal, ensuring permanent and reliable leak protection. Other benefits include practical handling, flexibility, robustness, and stress-free pipe connection. The system requires no special tools and provides maximum safety with the expansion seal. It is also part of a coordinated range of sewer construction products, and product information is accessible via a printed QR code, with personal support available during installation. This is the tale of two businesses, Drystack and stone cycling. Drystack created a novel method of laying bricks without mortar, while stone cycling turns trash into environmentally acceptable building materials. Together, they developed environmentally friendly bricks that interlock like Lego to provide builders with a comprehensive solution. The constructions are simple to assemble and disassemble thanks to the holes in these bricks and the inserts that connect them. You may also create in any kind of weather. The meticulously chosen stone veneer known as Drystack comes in a variety of thicknesses and colors, from plum and golden brown to earthy grays and charcoals. The sandblasted face and tiny, closely layered profile radiate an ageless elegance. This requires no grout stone style, fits easily together for a compact appearance. Drystack, also known as groutless or mortarless stone, refers to stone patterns without the visible grout joints between pieces. You can get the distinctive mortarless effect by either placing individual stones or installing panels of dry-piled stone veneer. The veneer profile has a wide range of warm and cold tones, providing endless mood and design possibilities. According to the firm, their goods are employed in over 75 million square feet of space, including Antarctica. They provide a multi-layered, flexible fabric that can be filled with concrete or other materials and strengthened for use by engineers and builders. This fabric is frequently used to prevent erosion on jetties, spillways, shorelines, reservoirs, and bridge columns. HYDROTEX is a polypropylene fabric that is non-woven and used to reinforce waterproofing membranes. Because of its flexibility, breathability, and resistance to moisture, it is perfect for bolstering the strength of membranes at weak spots like joints and corners. This fabric preserves membrane flexibility while shielding concrete surfaces that are prone to deformation or cracking. Better impact resistance, tropical climate appropriateness, improved mechanical qualities, good tensile and tear strength, alkali resistance, simplicity of application, and versatility across all surfaces are just a few of the benefits that come with the product. The product is 0.5 millimeters thick, white, and weighs 60 grams per square meter. Comes in rolls measuring 1 by 300 meters, and it should be kept between +5 degrees Celsius and +35 degrees Celsius in a cold, dry location. If stored properly, its shelf life is infinite. According to a 2004 estimate, each American uses 8 to 10 square meters of drywall annually. This figure is still rising. The reason drywall kits are so well liked is that they save money and effort. Using the concave studs and curved Cobra profiles, you may construct a curved drywall ceiling on your own. These work well for forming circles, arches, and S-shaped patterns. There are 5 sizes available for the galvanized steel profiles, which have a thickness of 0.6 millimeters. Even for a single person, the work is easy because they are simple to bend by hand and keep their shape. For curved walls and ceilings, iProfili SRL manufactures flexible profiles and studs. The company was established in January 2011 and has professionals with a great deal of expertise installing drywall for both interior and exterior finishes. Their area of expertise lies in zinc-coated steel studs and curving profiles, which meet EU certification requirements and are trademarked. These are crucial components for installing curved plasterboard. Their creative, adaptable system makes it easier to produce elegant decorations that satisfy specific architectural and design requirements. For both residential and commercial applications, installers, drywall manufacturers, architects, and interior designers have expressed a great deal of interest in the Cobra profiles due to their clever versatility and technological advantages. Without requiring professional expertise, DIY customers can swiftly construct curved constructions thanks to the simple application of Cobra materials. On a construction site, material transportation is possible without the need for big, costly machinery. With the SM100, German manufacturer WACKER NEUSON provides a more practical and cost-effective choice. With its bucket, this adaptable tracked small loader effectively transports both solid and loose items of different shapes. It is compatible with numerous attachments. It boasts a wide, stable spring suspension base, ergonomic joysticks, and soft cushioning that make it comfortable for operators despite its compact appearance. Its robust lifting capabilities and elevated hinge pin height provide effortless loading into elevated trucks and dumpsters. Due to its leading travel speed, the machine can do tasks more quickly. Its application is expanded by the industry standard interface that it offers for different attachments. For loading onto trucks, the vertical lift performance provided by the optimized radial approach is appropriate. The ground pressure on a normal track is 2.9 pound per hour. It is moving at 5.2 meters per hour. The machine is 108 inches long when the bucket is attached and 84.3 inches long when it is not. Without the bucket, it is 35.5 inches broad and 58.2 inches tall. With a bucket rollback of 25 degrees at the ground and 92 degrees at the highest point, the bucket hinge pin height is 85.7 inches. The first prefabricated elevator from KONE to be installed in Europe was a residential building in the Netherlands. Now that residents have access to the Monospace 500 elevator, which can accommodate up to 15 persons, or 1,150 kilograms, the old narrow elevator is no longer able to accommodate wheelchairs or stretchers. The company offers creative solutions to rapid urbanization, which is expected to result in over 2/3 of the world's population living in cities by 2050. Worldwide, almost 200,000 people relocate to cities every day. Elevators, escalators, auto walks, automatic building doors, monitoring, access, and destination control systems are among the many products offered by this company. Their elevator selection extends to the biggest skyscrapers, as well as low and mid-rise structures. These cutting-edge, environmentally friendly elevators enhance user experience, building adaptability and value. Elevator digitalization connects elevators to new people, flow solutions and value-adding services, optimizing people flow and operational efficiency. Upgrading an existing elevator can make a building ready for future smart building technologies. Connected elevators offer real-time information, multi-sensory ride experiences, and smart building applications, enhancing accessibility and convenience. The movement of people and commodities in both new and renovated buildings is made easier by this company's solutions. Their goal is to make cities better and more sustainable in order to enhance urban life. Through close collaboration with partners and consumers, they strive to offer ease, effectiveness, and great experiences across the building lifecycle, from initial engagement to equipment upgrades. Concrete that resembles wood can be created by a legitimate method, despite its fantastic appearance. The concrete must first be shaped using a square steel bar. For optimal results, incorporate fiber and plasticizer into the concrete mixture as you pour it. Don't let the concrete dry fully. Instead, smooth it out. Rather, use a unique powder color to make it look like wood. These days, brick molds are usually constructed from composite, metal, wood, or vinyl. The first step in the procedure is to level the ground and then sprinkle sand on it. After molding, the bricks are allowed to dry on the ground. However, this may leave the bricks with a rough lower surface and no frog. In order to resolve these problems, boards or molding blocks are positioned at the base of the mold. Brick molds of days are typically made of vinyl, composite, metal, or wood. A novel approach to selling beautiful concrete has been developed by an Australian company. They utilize colourful gravel in place of regular grey gravel. This concept makes use of contemporary mining methods. More than 100 nations receive mineral exports from Australia. The visually appealing concrete is excellent for garages and poolside spaces. The Southeast Queensland range, which includes 24 new ornamental colours that accentuate the brilliance and beauty of concrete, has been unveiled by Holcim Australia's decorative concrete brand, GeoStone. These innovative and stylish new products were created in partnership with regional architects, builders, and installers. The new range, whether for residential, commercial, or civil applications, effortlessly complements a variety of architectural styles, according to James Cuthbert, General Manager of Holcim's concrete business in Queensland. The company showcases the quintessence of authentic Australian stone. It comes in a variety of hues, ranging from stylish Hamptons-inspired tones to modern black-on-black choices. The architecture and design industries have praised this collection, which is named after well-known islands throughout the world and emphasizes extra black and ultra-white tones. Architects Dovey and Associates Principal Architect Anton Dovey praises the range's inventiveness and new color options. He emphasizes how builders have flexibility and may use these materials into their buildings because of the gorgeous hues that can be achieved when combining aggregates, cement, and oxides. Introducing LifeWall's song, Paradise. These panels provide a rich green environment because they are loaded with plant cells. A typical project takes 60 days from concept to installation, with a $10,000 minimum order. They might change establishments like cafes and swimming pools, as well as residences. They're a group of mischievous outdoor designers that have made it their mission to bring some joy to your outdoor living areas. They began serving the thriving metropolises of Chandigarh and Delhi NCR before broadening their clientele. They're transforming outdoor environments, having completed over 300 successful changes to date. Make over your outside areas, including your backyard, terrace, and grass, so you can enjoy them with your loved ones and have informal gatherings there. With the assistance of a team of engineers, installers, and experienced designers, LifeWall completely redesigns your outdoor areas. Rainwater collection has been proposed, but storage space is still needed. The robust concrete modular design of the UrbanPond system makes it ideal for urban settings. The modules contain garbage collection sections and measure either 2.4 by 2.4 meters or 2.4 by 5 meters. The collected water is gradually released by this system, which can be installed beneath parking lots or roadways. UrbanPond is a subterranean stormwater storage system made of modular precast concrete. It functions similarly to open detention basins and ponds, but it can be buried deeper without the need for additional reinforcement or special backfill. The modules that comprise the system come in two sizes, 8 feet x 8 feet square and 8 feet x 16 feet rectangle. Because of its adaptability, it can be utilized in a variety of contexts, including dense urban areas, under roads, parking lots, and landscaped areas. Its high void percentage, which allows it to hold a lot of rainwater, is one of its main advantages. Water is dispersed uniformly as it enters and leaves the system according to its design. It can be tailored to fit the needs of a particular project in terms of size, shape, and depth. Additionally, it has a built-in orifice control riser option to guarantee that the discharge of captured runoff is regulated and managed. Because of its strength, it can handle heavy loads with a minimal cover of just 12 inches, meeting H20 loading regulations. Let's take a trip to Australia's Toowoomba region to witness a remarkable event: the transportation of an 80-ton super T-beam to a construction site. This T-beam is the final piece needed to complete a massive viaduct that stretches 2,625 feet in length. In some sections, the viaduct soars to heights exceeding 164 feet. The road that this viaduct is part of is one of the busiest in the area, with over 23,000 vehicles passing daily, including many heavy trucks. The viaduct is made up of 1,020 individual components. Once this final beam is installed, the construction will be 99% complete. This milestone is not only a triumph for the construction team, but also a cause for celebration for the local community. Residents will soon enjoy improved traffic conditions, and the animals in the area will benefit as well, as they will be able to move around more freely and safely, reducing the risk of being hit by vehicles. This project has required immense effort and dedication from everyone involved. The construction of such a large and complex structure in a busy area is no small feat. The workers have had to meticulously plan and execute each step to ensure safety and efficiency. As we watch the final beam being hauled to its destination, it's clear that this viaduct will be a significant improvement for the region. The enhanced infrastructure will facilitate smoother traffic flow, making daily commutes easier and more reliable. Hydro, though their capacity to accommodate large crowds makes modern stadiums impressive, they are not without flaws. The ability to move, which is aided by expansion joints, is one essential trait. These joints are essential to the long-term viability of the stadium, not only in seismically active regions, but also in close proximity to mining operations. These expansion joints are utilized, for instance, by Levi's Stadium in the United States. A specific expansion joint made to be waterproof and appropriate for high-traffic locations is called the SJS system. It is distinct and functional because of its cover plate, which is not fastened to the concrete deck directly. This system's hybrid construction, which combines silicon and impregnated foam, makes it easy to use, impermeable, and vibration-absorbing. The variant has an integrated fire rating in accordance with UL 2079 requirements for further safety. Because this system is totally waterproof at the surface, underjoint gutters, which can collect water and need maintenance, are not necessary. It uses a non-invasive anchoring technique, dampens sound, complies with ADA standards, and is sturdy enough for traffic. The device is available in sizes differing by joint size from 2 to 16 inches. Up to 100% of its size can be moved by it. The typical cover plate is composed of aluminum with a flint-blasted surface. Alternative finishes, such as stainless steel, are available upon request. Take care when trimming huge branches since they may fall. This protective gear contributes to your safety. Your head and back are protected from impact by its covering. The ergonomic design guarantees a snug fit without limiting your range of motion. A healthy ecosystem is essential to the livelihoods of foresters and forest owners, and it is in their DNA to protect it for coming generations. In a same vein, the company manufacturers actively support environmental preservation and share this innate commitment to environmental stewardship. Wherever possible, their production procedures give preference to local manufacture with short transit distances. In addition, they are committed to creating robust, long-lasting products that will perform dependably for many years. VINZENT significantly lowers the chance of injuries from falling branches, which is a significant breakthrough in worker protection during hardwood harvesting. Numerous advantages come with this novel safety solution, such as its lightweight construction, ideal ergonomic fit, and wide, supple shoulder straps for increased comfort. Its design offers complete protection for the head and back without sacrificing range of motion or the ability to glance upward, and the adjustable hip belt guarantees a snug fit. You can change the height of this ladder thanks to its telescoping legs. It is easy to carry or fit in a car because it folds down to about 35 inches. Depending on the model, it can stretch up to 150 inches when completely extended. Aluminum was used to make the ladder. These portable, sturdy, and adaptable ladders are ideal for both residential and professional use. They are small enough to store easily and may be adjusted to different heights. You can easily reach high locations with the BATAVIA telescopic ladder. Conveniently, the steps may be extended to the desired height and retracted to a small size using a unique mechanism. Safety is ensured by independent locks on each step and non-slip rungs. With air buffers and valves for smooth operation, the GIRAFFE air telescopic ladders feature a unique retraction system that prevents finger pinching. Both the anti-slip steps and the soft close technology prevent the stairs from falling hard on your fingertips and add added stability. Wider stabilizer bars on ladders longer than 3 meters provide additional support. Using their steel framing is what Newcastle Steel suggests for robust and long-lasting decks. 3 layers of protection, a baked-on primer, a hot-dip galvanized coating, and a unique polyester coating envelop its carbon steel construction. It is therefore among the greatest choices for building a deck. In selecting a substructure for your deck, lifespan and durability should be given first priority. Steel is a great material option because of its unparalleled strength, dependability, and durability. Longer spans and a stable foundation with smooth surfaces are made possible by triple-coated steel, which also makes the design cleaner and requires fewer supports. It is a durable and safe choice because it is insect-proof, rot-resistant, and fireproof. Its performance and durability are demonstrated by the 25-year limited residential warranty and the CCRR 0186 code compliance report. One of their main advantages is sustainability. It is 100% recyclable and has 25% recycled steel created in the United States, earning LEED points. It is chemical-free and eco-friendly, in contrast to pressure-treated lumber. When it comes to deck framing, steel is a more affordable option than wood. It is the least expensive metal choice and has some benefits over wood. Steel does not twist or warp, so your deck will remain stable and level for many years. When it was first released in the early 1980s, SmartMix revolutionized the building business by successfully replacing mortar. 20 kilos of conventional mortar can be replaced with just 1 kilogram of it. It increases plastering efficiency by being applied in thin layers. Using the mix is up to 3 times faster and cleaner. A brand new cutting-edge product called Smartop Polymeric Mortar is intended to take the place of traditional mortar when installing bricks or blocks in masonry walls. It was brought to Brazil in 2011 after being introduced in the United States in the early 1980s, where it gained popularity primarily in the southern areas. This pasty, ready-to-use solution reduces labor expenses and boosts production by doing away with the need for extra chemicals. When compared to conventional mortar, it has superior compressive and tensile strength, which improves brick or block adherence. It is less expensive per square meter of wall and can enhance productivity up to 3 times. 20 kilograms of traditional mortar are equal to 1 kilogram of polymeric mortar. 1 square meter of wall can be constructed with merely 1.5 kilograms compared to 30 kilograms for standard mortar. Because of the more consistent walls produced by this mortar, fewer screens or clamps are required to secure bricks or blocks in concrete pillars, enabling thinner plaster layers. It creates little waste and maintains a tidy workspace, which further lowers labor expenses. You are currently viewing some cleverly constructed coaxial chimneys from Poland on your screen. They contain 2 channels, one of which draws in oxygen, and the other of which extracts combustion gases. This design completely eliminates smoke and enhances airflow. The Polish version can endure temperatures of up to 250 degrees Celsius. Since it is made of 0.4 to 0.6 millimeters thick acid-resistant chromium-nickel steel. Modern condensing boilers, which exploit the action of water vapor condensation in the combustion process, or turbo boilers with closed combustion chambers that use a ventilator, positive pressure chimney duct, to exhaust emissions, are both equipped with air flue systems. These devices shield the ceramic chimney duct's surface from the harmful effects of the chemicals in the fumes. Because of this design, which draws air from the outside through the outer pipe for the combustion process, the SKSP and SKSP XO systems are built with double-walled elements, or 2 pipes arranged axially. Because of the design, fumes may be expelled through the inner duct, and air can be supplied through the opening between the inner and outer ducts. The available diameters range from 60 to 350 millimeters. The standard diameters are 60 to 100 millimeters, 80 to 125 millimeters, and 100 to 150 millimeters. The maximum operating temperature is 250 degrees Celsius, and there is a 5-year warranty. Let us talk about a local company in Germany that has invented a unique cement compound that can be used to repair concrete structures. It's incredibly helpful because Germany's infrastructure, which includes over 2,400 bridges, requires routine maintenance. Polypropylene fiber is used to reinforce this mortar, giving it resistance to fire and water. It can be used with machinery or by hand. The product is a high-performance adaptable material with multiple applications. It's a one-component compound that works well for wet spray application as well as hand application. Among its main characteristics is a great resistance to carbonation, which makes it extremely resilient to environmental deterioration. It also has resistance against chloride and de-icing salts, guaranteeing long-lasting performance in challenging circumstances. Under the designation 5P2 HPT, this product is legally registered with the German Sustainable Building Council and is statistically admissible. This product's top priority is safety. The EN 13501 standard classifies it as non-flammable, meaning it satisfies the requirements for building material class A1. Moreover, it demonstrates exceptional fire resistance, conforming to the EBA guideline and the temperature time curves described in ZTV-ING Part 5. It also achieves fire resistance classifications F90 and F120, meeting the strict standards of the ISO 834 standard temperature curve and hydrocarbon temperature time curve. In accordance with EN 15-04 Part 3, this product is also categorized as R4, reflecting its better repair capabilities. Different solutions are used by specialists for windows. Elastic insulating foam, for instance, expands with little pressure, which makes it suitable for delicate structures. It may be applied with foam cannon and adheres nicely to all building materials. Self-expanding sealing tape is useful for joints on facades as well as windows. It provides good thermal insulation, fills uneven surfaces, and can withstand extremely high or low temperatures. An all-season polyurethane gun foam with a unique Easy Gun applicator is called PENOSIL Easy Gun Foam 108, sealing and insulating gaps, holes, and penetrations that are difficult to reach with a gun or conventional straw applicator. Applied using an applicator or a foam gun, foam is a more flexible product than conventional gun foams. This product has strong mechanical strength, prevents thermal bridges, has outstanding air tightness, Work in construction is facilitated and expedited by this instrument. The hydraulic cannon is used to crimp connectors on pliable wires. It operates with cables of varying sizes and a variety of attachments. It's faster and more dependable than comparable devices from other brands, according to experts. The quickest and most flexible crimping method is the 6T linear utility crimper, which is intended for usage with Class 3 gloves. The greatest balance is provided by its expanded trigger and compact grip, and its twin electronic release buttons allow left and right-handed users to operate it easily without shifting their hand position. Unmatched control and versatility in any position and across various applications are made possible by the inline design and 340 degrees rotating head, which also make it easy to set up and navigate small places. This is a lineman's go-to crimping and cutting tool because it works with 8 different types of jaws. Every time, the predictive force monitoring function ensures the fastest crimp rates with precise pressure and instantaneous verification by continuously measuring force output. The stone industry is a significant contributor to the economy in many countries. In China alone, experts have calculated that it generates an impressive income of around $57 billion. This industry is thriving not only in China, but also in other countries. For instance, India holds about 10% of the global market. Given the substantial demand in the stone industry, a new machine designed to enhance stone cutting efficiency is poised to find its customers easily. This machine, made in China, boasts impressive specifications. It has a cutting speed of 492 feet per day, which makes it highly efficient for large-scale operations. The machine's robust build includes a thickness of 61 inches, ensuring durability and stability during the cutting process. An essential aspect of this machine is its water requirement. It needs about 1,320 gallons of water per hour to operate optimally. This might seem like a lot, but it ensures that the machine runs smoothly and cuts stone effectively. To make the machine accessible to a global market, the company has set up showrooms in several countries, including Turkey, India, and the United States, among others. This means potential buyers don't need to travel to China to see the machine in action or to make a purchase. The machine is priced at approximately $22,000. While this might be a substantial investment, the efficiency and productivity gains it offers can make it a worthwhile purchase for businesses in the stone industry. This expert will not heed the opinions of others who believe that employing cement bags in this manner is a poor idea. The bags have naturally solidified after a significant investment of time, money, and energy, as well as enduring the winter. He's busy leveling the ground right now, but he could remove the wrapping. The long-lasting, robust concrete blocks produced by the high-strength structural mix are appropriate for a range of applications, including river walling, scour prevention, and underpinning. These blocks are perfect for creating concrete bag retaining walls and pair especially well with steel. Consultants usually specify this blend for projects that require a longer design life or that are technically challenging. There are options for both above and below water bags. The purpose and design life of the concrete determine which kind is best. Utilizing less expensive, lower strength, lower durability combinations results in subpar performance and a limited design life. It is advised to use structural grade concretes for protection and repair of valuable or susceptible assets.